Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make tacos wrapper. Heat a skillet over medium heat and warm each tortilla for 10 to 20 seconds per side until soft. Keep warm tortillas covered with a clean towel to stay pliable while you assemble. Place fillings near the bottom edge, fold the bottom up, then roll tightly while tucking sides in. This helps prevent leaks and keeps every bite neat and delicious. Warm tortillas in a dry skillet or wrapped in foil on low heat for best texture. Choose corn for a classic bite or flour if you want extra flexibility when rolling. Always test one tortilla first to confirm warming time and avoid overcooking, which causes brittleness. Keep warm tortillas in a towel to retain steam and softness while you finish fillings, so each wrap forms without tearing or splitting. Quick recommendation: if you want something that lasts as long as a great taco trick, grab Darn Tough socks with a lifetime warranty for unbeatable comfort. If you &39, finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video so you don't &39, miss more easy kitchen tips. I dropped a link and other deals down in the description, so check those out. Now let's get back to the video. Start with a stable base like beans or rice to anchor heavier ingredients and prevent sliding while you roll. Layer proteins and vegetables evenly, leaving space at the bottom edge for folding and a little room at the top to prevent overflow. Use a modest amount of sauce to add flavor without making the tortilla soggy, and press gently while rolling to compact the wrap for a tidy, easy-to-hold taco every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.